Is your Fire TV stick feeling slow or hard to navigate? Don't worry, because you are probably missing out on the secret commands built right into your remote. Welcome back to TechVibes. Most people only use the basic navigation pad, but Amazon hidden codes can reset your hardware, fix resolution bugs, and speed up your streaming instantly. Let's master your device with these 10 advanced remote shortcuts. Step 1. The instant reboot. Instead of digging through menus, hold down the select button and the play pause button at the same time for 5 seconds. Your Fire TV stick will restart immediately to clear system lag. Step 2. Reset the remote pairing. If your remote is acting glitchy, hold the left button, the menu button, and the back button for 12 seconds. This resets the remote's internal Bluetooth hardware so you can pair it fresh. Step 3. Open the secret system X-ray. Hold the select button and the down button for 5 seconds, then release and press the menu button. This opens a hidden overlay that shows your CPU usage and 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi signal strength in real time. Step 4. Cycle display resolutions. If your screen is black or blurry, hold the up button and the rewind button for 5 seconds. Your Fire Stick will start cycling through every available resolution until you find one that works. Step 5. Access the quick settings menu. Hold down the home button for 3 seconds from any app. This brings up an instant overlay to put your device to sleep, access settings, or mirror your phone screen. Step 6. Hard reset the remote. If the standard reset fails, remove the batteries. Hold the home button for 20 seconds while the batteries are out to fully drain the remote's memory before putting them back in. Step 7. Clear app data fast. While hovering over any app on the home screen, press the menu button and select More Info. This is the fastest way to jump into the storage settings to clear a clogged cache. Step 8. Force a network rescan. If your internet is dropping, go to the network menu and press the play pause button. This forces the hardware to reevaluate the local 2.4 GHz traffic and find a cleaner channel. Step 9. Remote factory reset. To wipe a remote's memory for a new TV, hold the back button and the right side of the navigation circle for 10 seconds. This clears all saved Bluetooth handshakes. Step 10. Toggle accessibility shortcuts. Quickly press and hold the back-end menu buttons for 2 seconds. This toggles the voice view screen reader on or off if you accidentally activated it. Here is a pro tip for you. If you are tired of typing with the remote, download the Fire TV app on your smartphone. It turns your phone into a full keyboard and trackpad, which makes entering long passwords or DNS 8.8.8.8 incredibly fast. If you face any difficulty with these shortcuts, drop a comment below. I will personally reply to your questions within 1 hour to help you out. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to TechVibes for more expert tech secrets. You are now a Fire TV power user.